In today's video, you will learn how to deposit and withdraw money using Robinhood website. In this tutorial, you'll go through both the deposit and withdrawal process step by step directly from the Robinhood website. Start by going to the Robinhood website and logging into your account using your account credentials. Once you are logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the human icon. Under Margin, click on View More Details. A new window will then appear. From there, click on Account at the top right corner. This will open your account menu where you can manage different account settings and funding options. Inside the account menu, locate and click on Transfers. This is the section where deposits and withdrawals are managed. To begin adding money into your Robinhood account, select the deposit option. You will then be asked to choose the bank account you want to transfer money from. If your bank account has already been connected, it should appear automatically in the list. Select the correct bank account and enter the amount you want to deposit into your Robinhood balance. Carefully check the amount before continuing. Once everything looks correct, click Review to see the transfer details. Review the selected bank account and deposit amount one more time. Then click Submit to confirm the transfer. After submitting, the deposit request will begin processing. Depending on your bank, the transfer may take some time before the funds become fully available. Next, to withdraw money from your Robinhood account, stay inside the Transfers section and choose Withdraw instead of Deposit. Select the bank account where you want the money to be sent. Make sure the correct account is selected before moving forward. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your Robinhood balance. Once the amount has been entered, click Review to check the withdrawal details, confirm that the transfer information is correct, including the bank account and withdrawal amount. When everything is ready, click Submit to finalize the withdrawal request. The withdrawal will then begin processing and the money will be transferred to your bank account based on your bank's processing time. That is how to deposit and withdraw money using the Robinhood website.